Please handle the for her.
Good morning, dear ladies and gentlemen. I'm very glad to be here in this pleasant moment. Actually, it's a great pleasure for me to deliver. It's a very pleasure for me to say something before you. I'm not a good speaker. Anyhow, I'll try my best to deliver my speech on today's topic. Before going to start talking about the topic, I would like to thank our teachers for giving us such opportunity. Now let's get back to the topic, which are self-introduction and family. Dear classmates, now I would like to introduce myself. This is Tanjila Ahmed Akifa. I'm a student. I completed my primary education from a madrasa. Then I completed my high school from Hadajari Girls High School and College. I took my SSC examination this year, and the result is gonna come out on next Friday. If everything goes well, I will get myself admitted into a college. I'd like to go to abroad for my higher education. Few weeks ago, I got admitted into Prime English Academy. Now I'm a student here, and I prefer coming to take my class. That's all about myself. Now I would like to introduce my family. My father's name is 𝐵𝙑𝙠𝙚 Ahmed. He was a businessman. My mother's name is Khala Begum. She is a housewife. I have two elder brothers. That's all about my family. Now I would like to thank everyone for giving me your valuable time and hearing me out. Thank you.
Thank you.